Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this key fob. This is out of a Grand Wagoneer. You're going to need one of the replacement batteries. This takes a 2450 and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that'll take you straight there. Also going to need a flat tip screwdriver, the smaller the better. So first order of business is to press this button and pull out your mechanical key. Now take the mechanical key and on this half of it, just push right here and give it a nice firm pry. Once you have that off, you can put your key right here and pry up this cover here. Now is where you're going to want to use a screwdriver. Insert it right here. Pop out the dead battery. Make sure you install your new battery on the bottom side first. Then put your cover back on. Go ahead and insert your key or put this back on first, doesn't matter. Give it a good squeeze. Test right here, and you're good to go. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.